Hello friends, welcome to Align Pattern. Let's continue our top 100 computer operating system MCQs. This is our fifth set and final set of 100 MCQs operating system. If you haven't watched previous part, please find it in the description box. So let's get started. Our first question in Windows, start button is used to A. Run application, B. Device setting, C. Turn off system, and D. All of these. And the answer is D. All of these. In an operating system, start button is displayed at the left end of the taskbar, and it is usually known as the Windows key or Windows logos key. And this is start button is used to run application, for device settings, and to turn off the system. That's why our answer is D. All of these. In Windows 11, the start menu is now a small icon in the center of the taskbar. Then the next question is, which one is true for unconditional disk formatting? A. Destroys every byte of data on a disk by overwriting it with the blank spaces, and B. Do not check or scan surface after the format. And the answer is A. Destroys every byte of data on a disk by overwriting it with the blank space. Disk formatting means the process of preparing a data storage device such as hard disk drive, solid state drive, floppy disk, memory card, or USB flash drive for the initial use. Whichever existing files on the disk will be erased by the disk formatting operation. Okay, and the unconditional disk formatting destroys every byte of data on a disk by overwriting it with the blank space. Remember this. Actually, there are two ways of disk formatting: physical disk formatting and logical disk formatting. Physical disk formatting is also known as the low level formatting, which is done before a logical mode. Okay, and the physical formatting divides the hard disk platters into their physical elements, tracks, sectors, and cylinders. After the physical disk formatting is done, there comes the logical disk formatting part. Logical terms places the file system on the disk and allows the operating system to use the disk space to store and retrieve the file. Okay, here different operating system uses the different file system, so the type of logical formatting you want to apply is totally depend on the operating system you plan to install. Okay, then our next question is, once text has been cut to the clipboard, you can digest that text into the another document. Once text has been cut to the clipboard, you can paste that text into the another document. We all know that cut, copy, and paste is different techniques for transferring data through a computer's user interface. The cut command removes the selected data from its original position, while the copy command creates a duplicate. The data from the clipboard is later inserted where a paste command is issued. The data remains available to any application supporting the feature, thus allowing easy data transfer between the applications. Got it? Then question number 4. Which of the following operating system reads and reacts in actual time? A. Quick response system, and B. Real-time system. And the answer is B. Real-time system. Real-time operating system is an operating system for real-time applications that processes data and events that have critically defined time constraints. The real-time operating system are event-driven and preemptive. Means the operating system is capable of monitoring the relevant property of competing task and make changes to the task priority. Okay, that's why our answer is B. Real-time operating system. Then question number 5. All of the following are true regarding virtual memory except A. Any amount of RAM can be allocated to virtual memory. B. The setting for the amount of hard disk drive space to allocate the virtual memory can be manually changed. C. This temporary storage is called the swap file or page. And D. Virtual memory is the physical space of the hard drive. And our answer is A. Any amount of RAM can be allocated to the virtual memory. Actually, virtual memory is the memory where secondary memory can be used as if it were a part of the main memory. The virtual memory uses both hardware and software to enable a computer to compensate for the physical memory shortage, temporarily transferring data from random access memory to disk storage. And in this case, regarding the virtual memory, all the true expect any amount of RAM can be allocated to virtual memory. This statement is totally wrong. Okay. Then our question number 6 is, the essential difference between an operating system like Linux and one like Windows is dash. And the answer is, any program can modify Linux code which is not permitted to Windows. As Linux is an open source operating system, we all know that, so we can modify and edit the code in Linux operating system, but in Windows it is not permitted. Okay, that's why our answer must be any programmer can modify Linux code which is not permitted with the Windows. Question number 7. The basic input output system, that is BIOS, resides in dash. The basic input output system BIOS resides in ROM. ROM is a type of computer storage which is non-volatile memory? We all get that, right? And the computer basic input-output system is a program that stores in the non-volatile memory. When the computer is power on, the basic input-out system is the first program that executes. That's why we can say that the basic input-output system resides in a ROM. Okay. Then question number 8. Which of the following does not occur during the power on self-state, that is the post state? A. The scan disk utility begins to run. B. The video card and video memory are tested. And the answer is A. The scan disk utility begins to run. In an operating system, power on self-test is the method, or we can say the process, that is immediately done after the computer or digital electronic device is power on. It is performed by the firmware or software in a device. Scan disk utility is usually used to check the hard disk for the errors and to correct the program that are found. And it is not occur during the power on self-test mode. Got it? You have to run the scan disk manually at least 2 to 3 months frequently if you believe you have a problems in a hard drive. Then the question number 9. Recently deleted files are stored in dash. Recently deleted files are stored in recycle bin. Recycle bin is a place where deleted items are temporarily stored in Windows unless they are permanently deleted. By default, the recycle bin should be presented in the upper left corner of your desktop in both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Okay. Question number 10. Which components appear in the initial Windows startup display? And the answer is taskbar. Taskbar components appears in the initial Windows startup display. The taskbar is an element of an operating system located at the bottom of the screen. It allows you to locate and launch the program through Start and the Start menu, or view any program that's currently open. Okay. Then regarding with the same, our next question is a small part of taskbar that has icons of background running application is, and the answer is system tray. A small part of taskbar that has icons of background running application is the system tray. System tray is also known as the notification area or the taskbar status area. Is a display menu where user can access various shortcuts and commands. It contains icon that provides user with easy access to system functions such as email, printers, network connection and volume control. Got it? Then our next question is an operating system version designed for use with the Media Center PC is Microsoft Windows XP dash, and the answer is Media Center Edition. Windows XP Media Center Edition, that is MCE, is a version of Windows XP operating system which was the first version of Windows to include the Windows Media Center, designed to serve as the home entertainment hub. Then question number 13. An operating system version designed for use with the tablet PC is Microsoft Windows XP dash. Answer is Tablet PC Edition. And Microsoft system version designed for use with the tablet PC is Microsoft Windows XP Tablet PC Edition. A tablet PC is a portable PC that is hybrid between a personal digital assistant, that is PDA, and the notebook PC. Equipped with the touchscreen interface, a tab PC usually has a software application used to run a virtual keyboard. Then question number 14. dash runs on a computer hardware and serves as a platform for other system to run on, and the answer is operating system. Operating system runs on a computer hardware and serve as a platform for other system to run on. Question number 15. Which is the first program run on a computer when the computer boots up? And the answer is operating system. When the computer is turned on, operating system is the first program run on a computer when the computer boots up. Main job of operating system is to help other computer program work through handling the details of controlling the computer's hardware. Then question number 16. The dash contains commands associated with the My Computer window, and the answer is the system menu. System menu contains the commands associated with My Computer window. Actually, the system menu is also called as the Windows menu or control menu, which is pop-up menu in Microsoft Windows, accessible by left-clicking on the upper left icon of most Windows or by presenting at the Alt and Space keys. This menu provides the user with the ability to perform some common task on the Windows. Okay. Then question number 17. You can move Windows to a different position on your screen by dragging it by its dash. Answer is move handle. You can move Windows to a different position on your screen by dragging it by its move handler. Then our next question is how to install the new font in the Windows XP. From the start menu, first go to the setting and then select the control panel. Place or select the appearance and themes category. Select fonts from the See Also panel at the left of the screen. In the fonts window, select the file menu and choose the install new font. Then question number 19. Which of the following is not essential to shut down your computer? A. Save all open files. B. Switch off monitor. C. Closing all running applications. D. Cut off the power supply. And the answer is B. Switch off the monitor. Yes, switch off the monitor is not essential when you shut down your computer. Then question number 20. Dash is compromise mode between shutdown and sleep mode because it does not consume power and remembers the current state of your desktop, and the answer is hibernate. Hibernate is compromise mode between the shutdown mode and the sleep mode because it does not consume power and remembers the current state of your desktop. We all know there is actually various modes of computer including the restart option. First one is the proper shutdown your computer, second is sleep option, and third one is your hibernate option. In situation where you just need to quickly take a break, sleep or hybrid sleep is best way to go. Okay, if you don't feel like saving all your work but you need to go away for a while, hibernate is your best option. But every once in a while it's wise to completely shut down your computer to keep it fresh. Remember this. Okay, so here it is guys, this is our top 100 computer operating system questions and answers series segment. If you haven't watched previous sets, please find it in the playlist and do check our latest video for study. See you in the next lecture.